Hindi mo papasukan ng Empress.
Ah, yung watermark? Gagawin ko pala.
Kaninong itlog yan? That's mine? Is that my egg?
What's your egg? 2 eggs, right?
From you? My egg from you?
Yes.
Wow, is that our diet?
This is a delicious egg.
Are we gonna get sexy with an egg?
Yes. This is good.
Am I gonna get sexy with an egg? With your egg?
Yes.
Huh? Huh? Jenny, where are you?
Lalagyan niya siya.
Where is Jenny? I cannot see Jenny. There's Jenny drinking. What is that? Watermelon. Is that? Are you gonna get sexy with watermelon, Jenny?